Hey, good evening, everybody. Good evening, good evening, good evening. This is Booker Williams coming to you live with another video. Now, in today's video, I want to talk to you about what is your brand, or what do people know you by? Because a lot of people, they want to get famous on all these platforms, but they really don't know what their brand is or what do people know them by. And what you can do to get a really good clue is ask the people that's watching the videos. Do a poll and don't be afraid of the answers, but you need to know what people really think of you and also what they need, because you can tailor your videos to the needs of people and that will increase your engagement. So ask people, what exactly do y'all know me for? And always try to improve yourself, because one thing about life, it always goes forward. It never goes back. It always goes forward, and always improve yourself and put some money into yourself. It's called personal development, because your brand is going to need some money to grow, and grow your brand. And don't be afraid to collaborate with people, because a lot of times those are some of the best partnerships. And just get out here and make it happen, because one thing about that clock, it keeps on going. The clock has been going for 1 minute and 20 seconds while I've been talking on this video. So hopefully that helps somebody. Just ask them, what's your brand? What do y'all know me for? Hey, this is Booker Williams. Y'all be good. Please like, comment, and share the video. And if you're on YouTube, just subscribe, because I'll be putting out more content. All right, y'all be good and God bless.